Hey guys, my name's Jing, and I want to tell you a little bit about my tech story. So, during this time, I want to kind of go over ways you can get into technology without being a coder, a developer, a software engineer, studying computer science, math, anything like that. Because, yes, those are very common things in the IT field. However, they're not the only thing. And there are plenty of ways to find a job in IT without that. So a little context about myself. I have an art degree. Couple minors definitely helped, but the art degree definitely nothing related to IT. So it's definitely possible. So I want to talk about useful skills that you can develop and learn to get into IT without being a coder. Because let's be honest, most people don't have that certain brain type. Personally, I've kind of learned how to code, not nothing special, but don't like it. Not for me. And I'm sure a lot of you guys will feel the same way. And if you do like coding, that's great. It's definitely a great way to get into IT. However, there are a bunch of other skill sets that these companies look for. So during this time, I'm going to kind of talk about the two big ones that personally the skills that I developed that really helped me get to where I am. So the two things I'm going to talk about are data visualization and project management. So first, we have a bunch of data visualization tools: Tableau, Power BI, Alteryx, pivot tables, I guess. But yeah, we have these, and they're great ways to make yourself an asset to a company. So a lot of the times, we're given tons of data, hundreds of thousands of rows and columns, everything like that. And we want to make it clean, pretty, and concise. So oftentimes we'll make this data and we'll turn it into a graph, pie chart, horizontal chart, bar graph, anything like that. And once we do that, we derive insight from it. So being an artist, I love pictures. I love being artistic. I can design these graphs or anything like that and make them look a certain kind of way that I find visually appealing. And by doing that, we can show our clients as well as our bosses or anything like that what data we have in a clean, formatted way that's presentable. And then we can take that data and find insights from it. So, say we have a bunch of data, it means nothing on a spreadsheet, but you put into a graph and you can see, okay, so this month we had this much profitability and this month we had this much. So, it makes it much easier to view. Other things than that, obviously, but that's just a quick one I want to touch on. Moving over, though, the next thing I want to talk about is project management skills, because every single job you have, you're going to have to learn how to do project management, not only as a manager, but any position. So project management is probably one of the most important things. Communication ties along with that. You have to be a leader, and you have to be able to delegate and assign tasks effectively.